Okay, I am back, and we are on episode 2 of cutting up our wedding gown. Now I have found, we've already removed the lining. That was episode 1. Now I have gone all the way around the bottom of the dress. This is the bottom where the lace is, and I have found the seam. You can see here, I don't know if you can really tell or not. Let's see. You can see right here where the seam is, where it matches up. That's where I am choosing to cut on this one. So with that said, let's see, right here, I'm going to follow, going to snip, okay. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go up a few inches with this because, and you can see that it was not right on the seam of the wedding gown here. Okay, you can see that the lace edging was, you know, where it was pieced together was not right on the seam. It was a little past it. So the next thing I'm going to do is see how high all the appliques come out from the bottom, and I'm going to cut up from that. And I've got an applique here, so I'm going to cut about right there, that far up. So here we go. Grab my other scissors, move that back some. Okay, now I'm going to just cut this away. See, we have more appliques here, so I do not want to get close to those. So that's why I went, you know, this distance from the top of the bottom lace. Because we do not want to ruin those beautiful appliques, because that is what we're after. That's the purpose of buying the dress, right? And I know that I'm not cutting perfectly straight, because it doesn't matter. We will be trimming all of that away as we use the dress. So I'm just cutting, being very careful not to catch any of the appliques. Alrighty. You can find your wedding dresses at thrift stores, on eBay, on Craigslist, secondhand stores, consignment stores. Those are places to look for your wedding gowns. So I'm cutting it very carefully all the way around. Just going to continue cutting. Look at all these beautiful, beautiful appliques. They're just gorgeous. Going to make some beautiful things with these, as are some of you ladies. Okay. Again, I did wash it. Wash it in the washing machine on gentle with some liquid laundry detergent and OxyClean, and it came out really good. So that is what I recommend you do to clean it, because this one was really soiled. I mean, the bride that wore this one, she had a great time. I mean, she had stuff all over this thing. It was a disaster. Kind of feel guilty cutting it up. It's so pretty. So we're coming back around to the edge. So we're almost done. Just maneuvered all this out of the way so that I can cut it on up to there. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this up and set it aside. Sorry about the staining on my ironing board. I use my ironing board for everything. And then I put fabric over it whenever I'm going to iron something. I have a piece that I put over the top of it. But I do not use this one for our clothes. It's turned into more of a table than anything else. Okay, so we're just rolling this up. And as you can see, well, this one had a train, so it's quite large. It's quite a bit. And there is the end of it. Now I'm going to take me a little pin, and I'm going to pin that into place to keep it there. And I'm going to set it aside. Okay. Now, so we have that much done. We've cut away the bottom. The next we're going to do, I'm going to end this video and start a new one, because I'm going to decide how I want to do this. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you, and God bless, and bye-bye.